Imagine arriving at an airport where every repair request is handled immediately. Runway lighting, fuel systems, conveyor belts, passenger gates, security scanners. Maintenance engineers say yes to everything, jumping from one fix to the next. Soon, each engineer is working on 6 or 7 jobs at once. The result? Tasks drag on, delays pile up, and nothing gets finished quickly. Now picture the shift. Kanban introduces a simple rule: work in progress limits. Engineers can focus on just 3 maintenance jobs at a time. Before picking up something new, they must finish what's already underway. This changes everything. Instead of 10 jobs sitting half done, 3 jobs receive full attention, completed and cleared. Only then do the next 3 begin. Surprisingly, fewer parallel tasks lead to much faster completion. The team moves jobs through the system efficiently, from start to finish. Work is organized, progress is visible, and engineers are no longer overwhelmed. The airport stays safer, more reliable, and repair requests don't linger in limbo. By limiting work in progress, maintenance teams transform chaos into clarity. Fewer jobs at a time, faster results, greater confidence. This is how Kanban unleashes real efficiency at airports, and how you can start seeing improvements in your own operations today.